Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a great Christmas and a happy New Year. I want to kick off 2021 with a channel overview and talk about some future projects. I got a new build that's going to be happening soon, so I'm excited to share that with you. And I also want to say thank you to everyone for the support of the channel so far. I really appreciate it. That said, 2021 is going to be a busy year. I got this guy to finish up here. The race motor is currently being built and getting close to being completed. Obviously, we still got to drop it in, set the car all up, get it tuned, and get it to the track and see what this thing can do. Aside from that, I'm really excited about the new build that's going to be starting shortly. Just got to finalize some things, so I'm going to share that with you, but we got to go outside for that one. Hey, sit down. Yeah, no. Rock, we're gonna tell them what the new project is for 2021. All right, let's do it. So the new project coming, gonna be another garage. We're gonna pop it in right about here. So I'll give you guys a little perspective, or closer look, I guess. I've already fired in some stakes, roughly where it's gonna be plotted. So I went as big as I could. The town maximum is 30 wide by 40 deep. The 30 will run me from this stake here to that stake, and then the 40 deep will run me to that far stake in the back there. So the town won't approve anything bigger, but it'll still give me 1,200 square feet. That'll fit 6 cars, couple hoists, and a lot more room to work. So really the only challenge here is going to be trying to save this shed. I'm going to try to lift it and see if we can move it to the other side of the property. If not, nothing I can do. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So that's it for now. I really excited about this project, and looking forward to groundbreaking. All right, that's my boy snow blowing in the background, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted with the progress of this garage build. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Of course, thanks for watching. Now it's time for me to go give him a hand and see where he's at.